What is that awful smell? Chemicals! Chemicals! They're everywhere! Why do you think cancer is so prevalent nowadays? I mean, use alternative things. You spray weed killer in your yard and then let your kids go out and play and your dogs roll around in the grass? No, they're chemical-free products. We have these beautiful bodies with perfect skin and fragile bones. We breathe in these harsh chemicals every day. We don't want them to get ruined. Be chemical-free, everybody, and stay away from chemicals!